How to fix YouTube version out of date, error, step-by-step guide. Are you seeing the YouTube version out of date, error on your phone? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. First, restart your device. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Just turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Next, go to the Google Play Store or App Store and check for updates. Here's how. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update. If you're using an Android phone, clearing the YouTube app cache can help. To do this, if you're still seeing the error, your device software may be outdated. Check for system updates. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling YouTube. This will remove any corrupted files and install a fresh version of the app. If the problem persists, you can still watch YouTube in your browser. Open Chrome, Safari, or any browser. Go to youtube.com and enjoy your videos. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the YouTube version out of date error quickly. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. See you in the next tutorial.